Follow these steps to know if you are able to remove email off Snapchat or not. Let's get in. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now over here, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option email. Now over here, you'll find this option, let others find me using my email address. You can enable or disable for this option. Likewise, if you click on your email address, you'll get the option to remove it. After you remove it and click on continue, you'll get this kind of pop-up. The submitted email address is an invalid format. Please enter a valid email address. So that means at the moment you are unable to remove email off Snapchat. You are able to change your email address for the Snapchat, but you are not able to remove it. In case you don't have access to the email address that you are using currently, you can change it by removing it and typing the new email address and clicking on continue and verifying the email address. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear that Snapchat requires an email for account recovery and security, so removing it completely without replacing it is not an option. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.